everyone, this is Alpha Somani, and we have done the chapter number 6. We are on chapter number 6, My Own Reflection. It's a poem by Robert Louis Stevenson. So, we have completed the chapter, and today we'll be doing the exercise part of the chapter. Okay, so I had given you an assignment number 3. So, let's discuss that assignment first, and then we will start the poem. Question number 1. Why does the child call the shadow as coward? Do you remember that the child calls the shadow as coward? वो shadow को क्या बोलता है? कायर, कमजोर. तो वो shadow को coward क्यों बोलता है? Because the shadow always keeps moving with him and it always stays closer to the kid. So that's why the kid calls the shadow as coward. Shadow पूरे दिन उसके साथ साथ घूमते रहती है, इसलिए उसको वो coward बुलाता है. Coward means कायर, कमजोर, डरपोक. Question number 2. What makes the boy think that the shadow is afraid of living alone? बच्चे को क्यों लगता है कि shadow को अकेले रहने से डर लगता है? As the shadow follows the boy everywhere. जो shadow है वो पूरे दिन भर बच्चे के पीछे पीछे घूमती है. So the boy thinks that the shadow is afraid of living alone. Shadow पूरे दिन भर बच्चे के साथ साथ घूमती है, इसलिए उसको लगता है कि इसको ये अकेले नहीं रह सकती, ये हमेशा मेरे साथ ही रह सकती है. Question number 3. What does the boy notice one early morning? So, do you remember when one day, one early morning, the boy wakes up and the shadow is not with him? So, what does the boy think? He thinks that the shadow is still sleeping. The shadow did not come because it's a lazy person and I have come here to play in the morning, but the shadow has not come. So, answer is here. One morning when boy gets up early in the morning, he finds that the beautiful water droplets on leaves and grass. So उसको तो सुंदर सुंदर ड्यू दिखी, ओस दिखी, leaves और grass के ऊपर, but his lazy friend, लेकिन उसका जो आलसी दोस्त था, कौन था आलसी दोस्त? Shadow was the lazy friend. But his lazy friend, Shadow, is too lazy that it keeps on sleeping till the sun rises. Okay. So that's all for assignment number 3. And we have completed the poem. What is in the poem? A child is imagining that shadow is another person. He is very curious about this shadow. He's a small child. So he is very curious about the shadow. कि ये shadow क्या है? ये परछाई क्या है? जो पूरे दिन में मेरे साथ साथ चलती रहती है, ये क्या चीज है? He thinks of the shadow as another person. वो छोटा बच्चा है, मासूम है, innocent है. So he thinks of the shadow as another person. उसको लगता है कि shadow एक दूसरा person. So he explains the qualities of the shadow from his perspective. वो shadow के बारे में क्या-क्या बताता है? Shadow looks like him. Also, it keeps changing his size. Sometimes it keeps growing like a Chinese rubber ball. Sometimes it becomes taller, it becomes bigger like a Chinese rubber ball. And sometimes it is so small that it is not visible at all. कभी इतनी बड़ी हो जाती है जैसे चाइनीज रबर बॉल उछलती है लंबी सी, वैसे उतनी लंबी हो जाती है, और कभी कभी इतनी छोटी हो जाती है कि दिखाई ही नहीं देती. It keeps changing its size. When he goes and jumps into the bed, when the child goes and jumps into the bed, the shadow also comes with him. And the shadow looks like him from head to toe. From head to heel, सर से पैर तक shadow उसकी जैसी ही दिखती है, बच्चे की जैसी ही दिखती है. He calls shadow a coward and lazy. Shadow को वो क्या बुलाता है? Coward, डरपोक बुलाता है. क्यों? Because the shadow keeps moving with him. The shadow keeps closer to him. That's why the boy calls the shadow as coward. And why does the boy call the shadow as lazy? Because the shadow, one day when the boy got up in the morning, early in the morning, before there was sun, so he goes there is dew on the roses, there is dew on the plants, but he thinks that the shadow is lazy and that's why it has not come and it is still sleeping. उसको लगता है कि जो shadow है वो बहुत डरपोक तो है ही, और उसकी shadow जो है वो बहुत आलसी है, बहुत lazy है, बहुत स्लीपी हेड है. स्लीपी हेड का मतलब भी आलसी, जिसको सोना पसंद होता है, उसकी शैडो को बहुत सोना पसंद है, बहुत आलसी है, इसलिए वो सोती रह गई और मैं तो आ गया। बट एक्चुअली में क्या हुआ है, सुबह सुबह का टाइम है, सन भी नहीं आया है, तो इसलिए शैडो नहीं आई है। लेकिन वो छोटा बच्चा है, उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, उसको लग रहा है कि शैडो जो है वो सो रही है। ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट द पोएम. Let's discuss the assignment number 4. For assignment number 4, you have to complete the exercise. Okay, you have to complete the exercise and the summary of the poem. Also, you have to write the diary entry. So let me discuss with you the assignment earlier. The lazy little shadow slept in the bed on a जो शैडो थी वो दिन भर वो सोई रही बेड के अंदर. कब? डार्क डे था, डार्क सन नहीं आया था, तो शैडो जो है वो सोई रही. शैडो के सोते रहने का मतलब क्या है कि शैडो उस दिन दिखी नहीं. क्यों नहीं दिखी? क्योंकि उस दिन सन नहीं था. इट वॉज अ डार्क डे. द शैडो मेक्स अ फूल ऑफ द पोएट. उसको क्या लगता है कि शैडो उसका पूरे दिन भर मजाक बनाती रहती है. शैडो उसका मजाक कैसे बनाती है? जैसे आप किसी का मजाक बनाते हो, जो सामने वाला बोलता है वही आप वापस बोलते हो ना, रिपीट करते हो. जैसे सामने वाला करता है वैसे ही आप करते हो, तो उसको लगता है शैडो भी पूरे दिन भर वही काम करती है, वो जैसे वो करता है, जैसे जो बच्चा है वही करता है, वैसा का वैसा शैडो करती है. उसको लगता है शैडो इज मेकिंग फूल ऑफ हिम. शैडो उसका मजाक बना रही है. Shadow grows in a dash manner. शैडो कैसे? अजीब तरीके से ग्रो होती है. बच्चे जो हैं वो तो थोड़े थोड़ा धीरे ग्रो होते हैं, लेकिन जो शैडो है वो वियर्ड मैनर में, अजीब तरीके से ग्रो होती है. कभी बहुत लंबी हो जाती है, कभी बहुत छोटी हो जाती है. Fourth one, the poet's dash follows him wherever he goes. पोएट की क्या चीज उसको फॉलो करती है जहां जहां वो जाता है? The poet's shadow follows him wherever he goes. Complete the following lines from the poem. He stays so close beside me. He is a coward, you can see. So these are the lines from the poem, and you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, for the first one, the answer is he stays so close beside me. He is a coward, you can see. Question number 2. He is very like me from the heels to the head. Shadow उसकी जैसी दिखती है, कैसी? सर से पैर तक. From heels to the head. Question number 3. As I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Okay. So where did the shadow jump before him? When the kid jumps into the bed, the shadow also jumps like him. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head. जो मेरी lazy shadow थी, जो मेरी आलसी shadow थी, वो sleepy head, वो एक सुस्ताए person की तरह सोई रही. So let's do the true and false now. The shadow follows the poet on a sunny day. Shadow जो है वो पोएट को पूरे दिन भर फॉलो करती है सनी डे पे. दैट्स ट्रू. अगर डार्क डे होता है, जब सन नहीं होता है, when there is no sun, when there is no sunlight, the shadow does not follow him. But it's a sunny day, so the shadow follows him. That's a true statement. Second one, the shadow has a weird way of growing. Shadow grows in a weird way, right? Sometimes it shoots up like a Chinese rubber ball, and sometimes it is so small that it is not visible at all. Okay, कभी कभी बहुत लंबी हो जाती है, जैसे चाइनीज रबर बॉल के जैसे, और कभी कभी इतनी छोटी हो जाती है कि दिखाई ही नहीं देती. So it grows in a weird way. बहुत अजीब तरीके से ग्रो होती है. So that's a true statement. Question number 3. The shadow does not resemble the poet. Resemble mean same होना किसी भी चीज के. तो shadow जो है वो poet जैसी नहीं है. poet जैसी है ना, तो ये false बात है, ये गलत statement है. It's a false statement. Fourth one. The poet's shadow follows him wherever he goes. Poet की जो shadow है, it keeps following him. It keeps coming with him wherever he goes. Is that true or false? It keeps coming with him, right? The poet's shadow, it follows the kid everywhere. So it's a true statement. So also you have to complete this exercise in assignment number 4, and also you have to complete the summary of the lesson in assignment number 4. I have told you the summary so many times. I have explained you the summary so many times. So you have to complete the summary. Whatever the poem is about, you have to complete the summary and submit me on Scholars ERP. Along with summary, you have to do the diary entry. So first you have to complete the summary. Second, you have to do the diary entry. Diary entry, you remember? Diary entry is when I write something what has happened to me on a day. जैसे आज मेरे साथ जो भी हुआ मैं उसको अगर लिख रही हूँ मेरे एंगल से मेरे तरीके से तो उसको कहते हैं डायरी एंट्री. Remember in the chapter an unpleasant happening we had written a diary entry like, do you remember that? कि आपको एक इमेजिन करना है कि आप एक बच्चे हो जिसको एडेनॉइड्स हुए हैं और आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो एडेनॉइड्स हटवाने, टॉन्सिल्स हटवाने. तो आपको वो चीज सारा लिखना है कि मैं डॉक्टर के पास गया, अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ गया, डॉक्टर ने मेरे एडेनॉइड्स हटाए. ऐसे आपको डायरी के अंदर लिखना है. None of you have submitted the diary entry and I'm waiting for that, okay? I'm expecting very much from you students. I'm expecting that you all submit your diary entries of the chapter and unpleasant happening. And today also you have a diary entry about this chapter. In this chapter, what you have to imagine, if you had been the boy followed by his shadow throughout the day, write a diary entry expressing what you have felt about. आप एक बच्चे हो जिसकी शैडो पूरे दिन भर आपको फॉलो करती रहती है, पूरे दिन भर आपके साथ साथ आती रहती है. सो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू राइट? यू हैव टू राइट अ डायरी एंट्री कि आपको कैसा लगता है कि शैडो आपके साथ पूरे दिन भर घूमती रहती है. तो यू हैव टू राइट अ डायरी एंट्री अबाउट इट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल राइट द डेट. जिस दिन की डेट है आप डेट लिखोगे, फिर आप टाइम लिखोगे, आप कितने बजे आप डायरी लिख रहे हो. एंड देन यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन how do you feel when your shadow follows him. So आपकी shadow के बारे में, आपकी परछाई के बारे में आपको क्या लगता है वो सारा आप explain करोगे. Let me give you an example of it. This is my shadow which keeps following me everywhere. This is the shadow which looks like me from head to toe, and I think it is some other person, and I think it is some other person who is following me wherever I go. Whenever I jump into the bed, the shadow also jumps with me. Whenever I eat, the shadow also eats with me. So it keeps doing whatever I do, and I think the shadow is some other person. Sometimes it grows up in very taller, sometimes it grows up very smaller. You have to explain from your angle. So you're right. You will write, I think that shadow ऐसी होती है. I think ये shadow ये काम करती है. You have to write like that. Okay. I think this shadow is very lazy because whenever I go outside on a before sunset, before sun, the shadow does not come with me because it's a lazy person. I think my shadow is a lazy person. Okay, so you have to write from your angle. You have to write from your perspective. So you have to complete this exercise. Also, you have to complete summary and the diary entry, and you have to submit me on what? You have to submit all your assignments on Scholars ERP. Okay, children, I'll be waiting for your assignments. So that's all for today's lecture, and thank you so much.